The world was young, the mountains green, no stain yet on the moon was seen. The words were laid on stream or stone when Durin woke and he walked alone. He named the nameless hills and dells. He drank from yet untasted wells. He stooped and looked in mirror and saw a crown of stars appear as gems upon the silver thread above the shadows of his head. The world was fair, the mountains tall, in elder days before the fall of mighty kings in Nargothrond and Gondolin, who now beyond the western seas have passed away. The world was fair in Durin's day. A king he was, on carven throne, in many pillared halls of stone, with golden roof and silver floor, and runes of power upon the door. A light of sun and star and moon, in shining lamps of crystal hewn, undimmed by cloud or shade of night, there shone forever fair and bright. There hammered upon the anvil smote, our chisel clove and graver wrought. Their forge was blade and bound was hilt, the delver mined, the mason built. Their beryl pearl and opal pale, and metal wrought like fish's mail. Buckler, corselet, axe and sword, and shining spears were laid in hoard. Unwearied then were Durin's folk, beneath the mountains music woke. The harpers harped, the minstrels sang, and at the gates the trumpets rang. The world is grey, the mountains old, the forge's fire is ashen cold. No harp is rung, no hammer falls, the darkness dwells in Durin's halls. The shadow lies upon his tomb, in Moria, in Khazad-dûm, but still the sunken stars appear in dark and windless Mirror. There lies his crown in water deep, till Durin wakes again from sleep.